Hello, my name is Greg Smith with the SMA Solar Academy, and today's tech tip video is on the Sunny Boy 240 microinverter. Before we get started, let's take a look at everything you will need to complete the installation. Sunny Boy 240 microinverter, AC end cap, AC field plug, Sunny multigate, AC cables available in 1.4 or 2 meter lengths, and the DC cables. Now we're ready to go through the easy steps for installing the Sunny Boy 240 microinverter system. Let's get started. Here you can see we already have the Sunny Boy 240 microinverters mounted to the racking. Grounding each microinverter is not necessary. However, if your local electrical code or inspector requires it, grounding can be accomplished using either weaves or a grounding wire. Document the location of each microinverter using the provided stickers and system diagram form. The next step in the installation is to insert each DC connector into a microinverter. After you've installed all the DC connectors, the next step is to install the AC end cap onto the first microinverter, which is the one furthest from the multi-gate. Now let's begin the AC cable installation using a quick and easy daisy chain configuration. It is important to practice proper cable management during this stage of the installation. Lastly, connect the wiring on each module to the DC connector on the microinverter. Now it's time to connect the PV system output to the AC side of the multigate using one of two options. The first is to use the last AC cable, cut the plug off, and transition in a junction box to the conduit run down to the multigate. Another option is to use the SMA field plug, which can also be used to connect two microinverters to go around dormers or over roof pitches. Here's how you will assemble the AC field plug. First, slide the screw cap over the conductors, then the gasket, then the housing. Next, connect the wires to the terminal assembly. Green, blue, and black, in that order. Once the wires are in and tight, slide the housing up and push till you hear a click. Then slide the cap up and screw down till it's tight. Here's an example of a completed multi-gate installation. Let's take a closer look at the terminals. First is the inverter home run connected to line, neutral, and ground. And then the AC service run connected to line, neutral, and ground. The final step in the multi-gate installation is to bring a speed wire connection to the Ethernet terminal. Unlike traditional microinverter power line communication, SMA offers a more reliable solution by sending all data from the multi-gate directly to the homeowner's router through this speed wire connection. Now you're ready to commission the system. Turn on the AC breaker and make sure that the LED lights on the multi-gate turn green. The only thing left to do is to register the system in Sunny Explorer and verify the output power of each inverter. The homeowner can also register the system in Sunny Portal for additional features like module level monitoring. For more information on the Sunny Boy 240 microinverter system, visit our website at sma-solar.com. My name is Greg Smith with the SMA Solar Academy. Thanks for watching.